All right, here we go. Another Big Daddy Shit unboxing. Today, we have the Wavelink Communicator. So, what this is, Harold the Handyman, he fixed my computer, and it turns out that I had old SATA drives in my computer. We changed my hard drives to M.2s, and then so the other ones are basically just now external hard drives. But if you don't have them in your computer, it's kind of hard to link up unless you have one of these. So, let's see if we could do this. I got to do it with one hand. You know? Yeah, and there goes my watch. Ugh. I got to do it right-handed. Okay. It's been a while. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so how's this open? Darn it. Oh, I guess it is right here. Ooh. Alright. Okay, so this one. Oh, it's like the power source and everything, I think. Gosh, this is complicated. Ugh. You YouTubers out there that do unboxing videos, make sure you use two hands and like a camera mount. Mine, I just sing in Spanish. Okay, there we go. You have a USB cable, right? Goes, I think, to Firewire. I don't know what it is, whatever. And then the power supply. And then this. So, yes, I use my mouth. Okay, so, yeah, one of the wires goes right here. And the power goes here. And then things go inside there. And I guess you press play. Oh, look. There's like chargers and all that stuff for... Yeah, so you stick that in there. And then it reads your drive. See? And then, yeah. So I could use those other drives. I could clean them up. Put like videos and pictures and stuff in there. Put a label on them. And then done, right? Anyways, that's what this is. So, let's go like this so you don't get the... Yeah, you gotta want to see what it is, right? There we go, just like that. Alright, anyways, Big Daddy Shin, unboxing Wavelink USB 3 HDD docking. I'll see you next time.